I highly recommend working with Duquesne University SBDC. They have so many resources. They know so much that the standard business owner doesn't have time to investigate. So when there are questions, they have the answers.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Deborah Metzger. I'm the owner of Paragon Theatre, located in Coraopolis, Pennsylvania. We are a live theater production company presenting plays and musicals. I have a degree in acting from Point Park University with a musical theater emphasis. In 2004, I opened the training side of our facility, and about a year ago, we started looking for a place to do productions full-time, and we found it here in Coraopolis. When we started looking into getting a loan to purchase a building, we were lost, we were clueless, we had no idea what our next step was. Our banker suggested using Duquesne SBDC, and I was put in contact with Doug. We had an initial meeting where he learned a little bit about our business, what we hoped to do, what our goal was, and at that time, we weren't sure what our goal was. We didn't have a building in mind yet. We were just looking, and he gave me the business plan, and he said, start here. And it was so long that I was so overwhelmed. I couldn't believe I had to fill out 20 pages of information, but any questions that I had, any information I didn't even understand, sometimes I didn't even understand the question that the bank wanted an answer to, and Doug just guided me the whole way through it and was very easy to contact. Because we were able to get the loan, because we were able to secure our own building, we feel so free. We have so many avenues that were not open to us before. We can do as many shows as we want a year. Our sound system is tuned perfectly. Our lights are set up exactly how we want them. We have our own audiences coming to see our shows. We can schedule whenever we want. We can do plays, musicals, mystery dinners. We have so many things that we can do now because we got the loan, because we have our own building, and now we're our own group and we are not relying on other people anymore. Our opening night was amazing. We had a huge cast. We had a cast of almost 40 people. We had a full house. We had people from the community coming out to see the ribbon cutting. And it was really from the time we walked into this building to opening night to see it transform, the new carpet, the new seats, the stage that we extended, to see all of that come together was really a dream come true for all of us.